As I reflect on the celebration of my birthday, my heart is filled with immense gratitude. Thank you all so much for the wonderful birthday greetings, kind wishes, and the incredibly generous financial support you've shared with me during my special day. Your thoughtfulness and blessings mean more than words can express, and your generosity is a beautiful reminder of the amazing community I am surrounded by. My birthday wish for this upcoming year is for continued personal and professional growth, good health as always, and the wisdom to positively impact those around me. Thank you for making my milestone celebration truly unforgettable and for walking alongside in me this next beautiful chapter of my life. Cheers to a brilliant year ahead. To my family and friends around the globe, I love you all. Happy birthday to me. Thank you sa kuang breakfast sponsor, ang akong sista. Si Sister Nani, salamat kayo. Yan, nakapamahaw ko ahat. Okay. Salamat sa sponsor. Ug more sponsors to come. Okay po. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, dito ako ngayon sa Ban Timle Restaurant. Dito po sa Yarin, Patani, Thailand. Kasi nga po, nagkakaroon ako ng aking birthday lunch sponsored by Mr. Robert Davide and Miss Judy Ann Labasano Paradyang. Sila sponsor ngayon sa aking birthday lunch. Okay? So, dito ako ngayon sa may tabing dagat. Okay? Mukhang mayaman. Mukha lang ha. So, ito. Yan. Ito. Is it? Okay? So dito ako magkakaroon ng lunch. Birthday lunch. Yan. Okay, so sa aking birthday lunch sponsor, Miss Judy Ann Labasano Paradyang and Mr. Robert Davide. Thank you to you. Ang ganda talaga ng tingnan niyo. Yan. Really, really very, very nice. Okay? Talaga tayo. Masarap. Ang sarap. Masarap yung ano nila. Masarap yung pagkain nila. Yan. Mabaso kaya to? It's thank you again, Jemerly. One isa si Jemerly. Okay. Isa na siya nag-divide sila ang gikam karon. Namin din sa Santisok Hotel. Muna siya ang Hotel Santisok. Dito sa among probinsya. Okay. Nagbinera na sila. Okay, salamat sa birthday. Salamat sa birthday. Salamat sa birthday. Ang financer. So, this is the celebration
Happy birthday.
of my happy birthday to me.
Ay, hindi lang po
Okay. This is a picture ko niya. Video. Yan.
Happy birthday. Kaning mo man
Salamat, salamat, salamat.
birthday!
Salamat, salamat, salamat. More birthdays to come. Mag-close na ba sila? Papunta yung serban.
Hello! Happy birthday to our beloved brother George. Wishing you good health, happiness, and success in everything you do. Stay strong and always keep on smiling. Nay, we miss you and we love you so much. Again, happy birthday and God bless you always. Love you, love you.
Hello, brother. Happy birthday. Amping diha kanunay. More birthdays to come. Love you. Miss you.
Happy birthday, Manay George. Wishing you good health and more birthdays to come. Layo na ko sa imo ang gamay, so talagsan na ta magkita yun ani. I'm looking forward to see you soon. Miss you, love you, happy birthday, God bless you.
Hello, Nay. Good morning. I just wanted to greet happy birthday. Pasensya na. Ako karon sa Davao. Dali ko natulog. I wish yung birthday nga tagaan pagdaghan pang katuigan ng mabot sa inyong kinabuhi. Happy birthday o mahal ka na mo.
Nanay George, happy birthday to you. I wish you all the best in life. Take care always, especially your health. And thank you for your generosity to us. Sa walay po us nga paghatag mo paghigugma ka ng amping diha kanunay. Oh, I love you.
Happy birthday, Nanay! Thank you for being generous to us, even you have your own difficulties in your life. I wish you all the best in health and full recovery of your illness. Continue for being a blessing to everyone. Happy birthday, Nanay! Take care always. We love you and see you soon. God bless! Happy birthday!
All happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Maing panglawas kanunay. Oh, God bless us always. We love you.
Happy birthday, Uncle Jeyo. I thank God sa imong kinabuhi and I wish na tagaan pa kaniya og daghan pang moabot na birthday. God bless you. Love you.
Hi Beshi, happy birthday, more birthdays to come, good health, ug amping kanunay. See you soon Beshi, I love you.
Hi Cole, happy birthday. Inaot ko nga tagaan pa kaugma yung panglawas sa Ginoo ug more birthdays to come. Inaot ka maayo na kasi mong sumay kabaratian dira ug amping dira always. Happy birthday usab. Enjoy your day.
Hi, Uncle. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. More birthdays to come. More candles to blow. Stay healthy. And then, amping ka rin nila. Thank you for everything. God bless you, Uncle.
Hi, Cole! Happy birthday! Salamat kayo sa tanan nga pagpalanggan mo sa mua, labi na sa akong pamilya. Kami ni mga makapagumangkon. Wishing you all the best. Samping ka na yung payong panglawas. Alag ka na mo.
Happy birthday, Lolo. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Lolo, no?
Happy birthday, Lolo. Happy birthday, Lolo. Happy birthday, Lolo. Happy birthday, Lolo.
Hi Nay, happy birthday, amping always. I miss you and I love you so much.
Happy birthday, Uncle Amping. God bless.
Hi Gio, happy birthday. I hope all your birthday wishes and dreams come true. God bless.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hi sir, happy birthday. And may your birthday be a new chapter filled with prosperity and happiness. Keep growing and keep shining. And happy birthday once again.
Hello, Sir George. Good evening. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Sir George, I just wanted to give you a wish that you always have a good health and happiness always. Take care of yourself and stay strong, stay strong. Alam ko naman na fighter ka sa buhay. Kaya idol kita eh. Wish ko na sana yung desire ng heart mo, makamit mo na kung ano yung desire ng heart mo, at saka wish you all the best in life and long life. Okay? Hope to see you soon, Sir George. Mama, love you. I want to extend my deepest appreciation to everyone who took the time to send beautiful birthday greetings and blessings on my special day. I also wish that the kindness and generosity you have shown me returns to you in abundance. Maraming salamat po.